Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we're going to cover the second part of Numpy, which is Numpy operations. So, create a new Numpy book and let's get started. We can start this session by inputting the Numpy as NP. Let's create a array equal to np.arrange 0 to 10, excluding 10. If you run this piece of code, and then if you call um, array, so this is 0 to 10, excluding 10, then you can say array plus array, which is what it will do. It will add 0 with 0, 1 with 1. It will pick each and individual index and add with the same number. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6, like that. So here ending with 9 plus 9 18. Okay, this is what array plus array. I can say that array multiplication with array. So if you multiply array with array, you will do the same thing. 0 multiply with 0, which is 0. You can say 1 multiplied with 1, which is 1. 2 multiplied with 2, which is 4, like that. And 9 multiplied with 9, which is 81. Alright. Now you can also do the same thing. You can also do array minus array, which is um, uh, 0 0 0 0, because starting from 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, like that. So you get result 0. Okay, here is you'll get a little bit interesting things. So what you're doing here, array divided by array. So you'll get a warning here. It's not an error, it's a warning, because the first one is starting with 0, right? So 0 divided by 0, you'll get an AND value, an AND value. So that's why you'll get a warning, and everything else you will get 1. Okay, remember, if you will not have any 0 here, you will not get any warning. Okay, this warning is because of the first 0, which is AND value. Similarly, you can also do 1 divided by array. Okay, you also get the same warning, because the first one is infinite, because 1 divided by 0 is infinite, and then everything you're getting value, and this error is because of the first infinite. um, Same thing, you can also do array multiply with 3, you will get all the value, and this is if you put the data type, you say integer. Okay, now coming to, there are some universal array functions, which is mathematical operations, and which is already a universal array function and installed with. So if you want to read here np dot and then shift tab, so you will get a lot of in fact you will get a lot of function here. Okay, you can also explore a lot of things here, and this is interesting. So, and if you so let's start with square root. So np dot square root of array. So sqrt is the square root of array, so you'll get all the individual value. And now let's say exponential value. Similarly, np dot exp array, so you'll get the exponential value of each individual. Now let's talk about maximum and minimum value we can do. Then say np dot max array, so you'll get the value as 9, because this is 0 to 9. See, the maximum value is 9. Yeah. If you want, you can check minimum value as well. So let's say np sorry np dot min, then array. So if you run this, so oops, okay. If you run the minimum value, we get the value as 0. Similarly, you can also do sign of array, will get 0, but when you're running log of array, you'll get an you get a warning because log of 0 is infinity. So that's why you are getting a warning here. This is a very basic things of, there are lots of universal array functions are there, mathematical functions are there in which you can also explore. But this is a very quick one, which is a number operations. And thank you very much for watching this video. I will catch up you in the next session of NumPy, which is NumPy indexing. Thank you.